Hi everyone, it's Michelle here from West Coast Lemons, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about recalls. So a lot of us get a recall notice in the mail and it's like the world's ending. All of a sudden you assume the worst about your car and you really start thinking, hey, do I have a lemon? And unfortunately, just because you get a recall notice pertaining to your car, it does not mean you automatically qualify for the lemon law. And it really just goes back to the three main ways to qualify for the lemon law. So for those of you that are joining me for the first time here, a quick little refresher on that. So the first way to qualify is a breach of the express warranty. So that's when you're taking your car in multiple times for the same or similar issue and they can't fix it. The second way is a breach of the implied warranty. So typically there's two scenarios there. Either you're dealing with some catastrophic engine failure during the first year, something major, or you're dealing with a lot of smaller issues, but they really just add up during that first year. And the third way to qualify is the 30-day rule. So unless you're really fitting into one of those three scenarios, you're not going to qualify for the lemon law. So recalls can be useful within the lemon law, but it's not an end-all be-all. So the strongest cases within the lemon law involving recalls are the ones where you're actually feeling the issues that are being described in the recall. So for example, I had a client a few years ago with a Honda Odyssey, and he was having troubles with the sliding door. And coincidentally, Honda also issued a recall for the sliding doors, specifically the door latches within the sliding door. So he kept taking it in over and over and over again, and the dealership kept performing the recall. So in that case, we actually had a recall corroborating my client's story that, hey, I keep having issues with the sliding door. It won't close or it just won't open. So in that case, having a recall really did help the lemon law case. It enhanced it. But alone, it's not going to be enough, because in that scenario, if my client had just gotten the recall notice but his car doors were working just fine, that's not a case you're going to win. So if you get a recall notice in the mail and you don't notice anything wrong with your car, just be extra aware. Just see what you feel, see if you hear anything out of the ordinary when you're driving, and absolutely take it into the dealership to have that recall performed as soon as possible. Hope you learned something about recalls today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you all next week.